Welcome to Python tutorials on B2T. B2T means guys, basic to top. My name is Ram. I'm going to discuss with you friends function concept in Python. Okay, just I maintain on PPT. I'm going to show to friends at PPT about function concept. Yeah, function. Function friends. No, what is meaning of function? If a group of statements If a group of statements repeatedly required, instead, if group of statements repeatedly requires, then it is not recommended to write these statements every time separately. Clearly, I documented friends. If every statement is repeatedly required, then it is not recommended to write these statements every time separately. Yeah. Main advantage of function is code reusability. Means your time will be same. Same code, not write again and again. Okay. Python support two types of functions. First, friends, inbuilt functions, and another friends, user-defined function. Inbuilt function means friends like input functions, print functions, several things are there, friends. Yeah. Let's move another slide, friends. Slide is there. Python support two types of function. First, friends, inbuilt function, and another friends, user-defined functions. Built-in function and user-defined functions. Built-in function, the function which are coming along with Python software automatically is called built-in functions. Your predefined function. Yeah, friends. Like friends, ID function is there. No? It's printing address of your variables. Yeah. Type function, which type of data is there? Input function to take input from users. Eval functions, evaluate friends. Yeah. And I'm going to move in next slide, friend. In the second one is user-defined function. The function which are developed by programmer explicitly. Yeah, friends. The function which are developed by programmer explicitly according to business requirement is called user-defined function. Yeah. Syntax of creating user-defined function, friend. Yeah. Def is a small friend, not capital. Def keyword. Def is keyword. Function name. You can define here any names of your functions. Yeah. And argument parameters is there, friend. And return value is also there. And first, what is parameters, friends? Parameters are input to the function. Yeah. It is input of functions, different. In return statements, function can take input values as parameter and execute business logic and return output of the caller with return statements. Yeah, friend. This is friends. All these things are there. I maintain clear documentation for you friends only. If it's good, then please like and subscribe this channel, sir. So it will be motivated for me. Yeah. And now I am going to discuss one examples also, friends. Just wait. Just wait, friends. Test.py is there, no? No opening ideally, friends. Python ideally is there, no? So, sorry, friends. Now, let's go and see reference. So, in the refs, I am entering some folders there. Test.py will be there, maybe. Yeah, where is test.py? Yeah, this is test.py. Just click open Python ideally, friends. Simple and 11 things there. Yeah, last session we will discuss something like this. No, I'm going to discuss function concept. Functions. How to define function, friends? You know already by using def keyword, def and function name and name of the functions and parameters. Parameters and column and friends, business logic. Business logic. Yeah, you can write here repeated code. Yeah, business logic. You can write several things there and return types. Return value. This is free syntax, friends. Yeah. No, I'm going to write to print hello world by using function. FM. How to define function, friend? First, you should know na, def function name. I'm going to take student. Parameters. I'm not going to pass anything. Influencer. Hello. One. Yeah. Something this line. This is function. No. Now I'm going to execute this program, friends. How to do it? Let's work command prompts. In DD, they have no folders there. CD. Folder name, friends. Yeah. Py. Test.py folder there. Na? It's rising one error, friends. Hello. End of line scanning literals, friends. Something is there. Na? One error is coming. Yeah. Because this is single quote opening and double quote closing. This is not both are same. Na? We should have to save that same things here. Maybe no, it will not writing any error, friends. Okay, but it's not also printing output from hello what you need to print now on console. It's not printing because of friends. We are not calling. Na? I'm not calling this functions. How to call this function, friends? Just function name and just follow parenthesis stu dent. Yeah, name is mistake. Na? Yeah, student student. Maybe now it will be printing out. Hello world. Yeah. Is output is camera. Yeah, it's camera. If you want to print 10 times print, then you need to call just write 10 times this function. Yeah, it's printing several times. Same code, nothing. No need to write 10 times print. Just print without one line print. And if printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This is biggest advantage of function means code very usability. That's it, friends. Bye. Uh, we'll learn next video um, more about functions. Yeah. Thank you, friends. Bye. Please like and subscribe this channel, friends. Thank you. Bye.